Alright, so this is the try it section for today's work. So we're going to read it and kind of draw a picture with it to make sure we understand. So it says if C is between A and B, then AC plus blank equals AB. So I'm going to draw a picture to get a better understanding of what it's saying. So it says if C is between A and B. So I know C is going to be between A and B. And it says then AC plus blank equals AB. So I know that this AC plus blank equals this whole AB. So the blank, we have AC plus, so what goes in the blank is going to be CB. So that's your answer for the first one. So you're going to go in and type in CB as your answer, and you'll get correct. Now this one says if RS plus ST equals RT, then S is blank R and T. So again, I'm going to draw a picture. If RS, so I know I'm going to have an R, and I know I'm going to have an S. And then, so it says if RS plus ST, so I know I got to have a T somewhere, then S is blank R and T. Well, what S is in between R and T. Now, it doesn't say S is the midpoint or S is directly in the middle. So S, it could really be right here if it wanted to be. It doesn't say where S is. We just know that's going to be in between R and T. So what you type in is the word between. So you're going to type in between. Okay? Now it says if TV plus BU is TU, then blank is between T and U. So again, let's draw our picture. So if we have, it says if TV, so I know I'm going to have a T and I know I'm going to have a B, plus BU, so VU, then blank is between T and U. So what letter would be between T and U? B. Okay? If you ever see anything written where B, see how B is in both of them? TB plus BU, we know that B is going to be in the middle. So your answer then, blank is between T and V, your answer would be B. Okay? Now, this is something that we talked about the first couple of days of school. So it says for point B to be between points A and C, all 3 points must be blank and lie on the same segment. So if you have 3 points on the same segment, that means that they are collinear. Okay? So for the points to be in a line, that means they're collinear because they're on the same line. So your answer, you should type in collinear. Alright, this one's tricky. It says true or false. If point B is between points A and C, B is the middle of segment AC. So again, I'm going to do my picture here. So it says if point B is between, so here's B, is between points A and C. B is the middle of segment A and C. Now the middle means the direct middle. It cuts it in half, like if it was a midpoint. Okay? But it doesn't say B is the midpoint. It just says it's between. So B could be here. B could be here. But we don't know where B is. We just know it's between. So this is going to be false because it's between. Just because it's between, it doesn't mean it's in the direct middle. If it were to say point B is the midpoint, then it would be true. But it doesn't state where B is. It just says between. So your answer would be false. Okay? Something you should have learned from your PowerPoint by clicking through. The measure of a distance is always blank. You should have saw in the PowerPoint the measure of a distance is always positive. Okay? Even if you get a negative number. So say we got -3. Do not put -3 as your answer. Drop the negative. So it's just going to be 3. So your answer here is positive.